Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. So here I am here with the another amendments relating to your examination schedule. So you have heard me correct. Your examination schedule has been posted by the ICAI for the November 2020 examination for all the foundation, CPT, foundation, intermediate, IPC, final, all the examination schedule has been uploaded. So make sure that you are updated with this examination schedule. So without wasting the time, let us understand when your examinations are going to start. So this video is being posted on, or this notification has been posted by the ICAI on 15 July 2020, that is today. So what is the important announcement relating to that? Foundation examinations new course are going to be held on 9th November, 11th November, 15 November, 17 November. तो सबसे बड़ा myth which we had that कि examinations are going to be held in the December examination. So everything has been sorted by the ICAI. No more examinations are going to be held in December क्योंकि the examinations was supposed to be held in December if it could have been held in July 2020. Due to the less amount of gap. So now as July 2020 examinations have been cancelled, so instead of December, ICAI is taking back its words now. Now it is good also that because anyways July examinations are not going to be held. July में तो exam हो ही नहीं रहे, तो there is no point of deferring it by 1 month. So now examination, we are all crystal clear कि examinations are going to be held in November only. Are you getting it? The examinations are going to be held in November only. The foundation new scheme, CA foundation new scheme examinations are going to be held on 9th November, 11th November, 15th November and 17th November. So between the 11th and 15th, they got the 3 holidays instead of 1 holiday, right or not? 12, 13, 14, 3 holidays are there. Next one, intermediate old course. As we all know that exams have not taken place. So old course examinations are going to be taken place on 2nd November, 4th November, 6th November and 8th November for the group number 1. Group 1 will be going to be held on 2nd November, 4th November, 6th November and 8th November. And group 2 is going to be held on 10th, 12th, 16th. As we know that there are 7 examinations in the old syllabus. So 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th, 10th, 12th, 16th. So 12th and 16th means what? Before ITSM examination, you got again 3 holidays. You got the 3 holidays, 13, 14, 15, ITSM, strategic management. मैं पढ़ाता हूँ strategic management. So we will be having a good amount of holiday to get the highest number of marks in the ITSM portion. So examinations again on 2nd, 4th, 8th, 6th, 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th, 10th, 12th and finally last examination after 3 holidays on 16 November. That is for the old course IPC. For the new course again date sheet is same, 12th, 4th, 6th, 8th, 10th, 12th again 3 holidays and the next examination will be on 16 and followed by 18. So for the old syllabus intermediate, for the IPC old syllabus, the examinations will get over on 16 November 2020 and for the new syllabus it will get over on 18th November 2020. So this is for the new syllabus intermediate. This is for the old syllabus IPC. So this is group 1 and this is group 2 examinations. Again this is group 1 and group 2 examinations. So what we are clear with, no more examinations are going to be held in December, they are going to be held in November. Next one, final under the old scheme, final examinations for the old scheme, 1st, 3rd, 5th and 7th is their first group and 9th, 11th, 15th and 17th is their second group. So again from the 11th to 15th, again they also got the 3 holidays between the examination on 11th and examination on 15th. So this is for the final old syllabus, your examination schedule, and final new syllabus examination schedule 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, 11th, 15th and 17th. That is for the group 1 and that is for the group 2. Are you getting the point? So this is for the new syllabus and this is for the old syllabus. What? Final. And this is the old syllabus for IPC and new syllabus IPC, and this one is for foundation. No more CPT. Everyone clear? So I think I made it very clear कि examinations are no more in the month of what do you say, December. They are definitely going to be held in the month of November. So all the very, very best for the examination. Now you know your target, you know your date by which you have to get yourself prepared. So ensure that give your 120%. And these are examinations. I told you in the previous video, these are examinations, not the attempt. To remove the word called attempt from your life and focus on your examinations, which are going to be taken place in the month of November. So all the very best from my side. May God bless you all with your wishes to get fulfilled in the future. So thank you so much for coming in contact with me. Thank you so much for giving the love and affection to my YouTube channel. So I will keep on posting these videos on my channel. For the updates and notification, press the subscribe button, hit the bell icon button, and like and share the video if you really think that it is worthwhile to share it with your friends. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for lending your patient ears. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.